What tools are available to help me learn about my BMW electric vehicle before it arrives? Let's explore. Firstly, experience a virtual handover. Through this innovative tool, you can virtually explore every aspect of your BMW electric vehicle before it arrives. From understanding its features to familiarizing yourself with its controls, the Virtual Handover provides an immersive preview of what to expect. Secondly, utilize the My BMW app. This powerful app puts all the information you need right at your fingertips. From tracking your vehicle's production status to accessing helpful tutorials and guides, the My BMW app ensures you're well prepared to get the most out of your BMW electric vehicle from day one. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be fully equipped to embark on an electrifying journey with your new BMW electric vehicle. Terms and conditions apply. Availability may vary.